Lagos, if you buy these traffic lights, nobody will go to control you for road. Hold on. Everybody hold on. I'm performing for this guy alone. Everybody hold on. 100 Naira. I mean, you know that the highest money we receive for notes. $100 now you give me like that, you know, enjoy me. Same way you go make I get what I go use and treat. No, you know, say Basketmouth, she talks to me, we know they collect money if they give us for stage. Basketmouth, she the curious, I know the play. I mean, I do more, Joe. Hold on. Because I say Basketmouth decrease, I live about a good kill.
M.O.P. Laughing Star.
When I enjoy for this Lagos, no be sure now pay like this. Everybody pay table. Some people no even come. They don't pay for the table, no come. Spend money for no reason. For that our side, God forbid bad thing. May we even buy regular 5,000. It's too expensive. Laugh don't cost 18. For that side, person put in show laughing stock. Instead collect money. For that side, if we pay 2,000 Naira, I swear to God, I leave Baba go perform. See Lagos here now. I see put this show now. Una no care to know who come, who no come, so long as the show is sweet. She can now, for that our side, they pay to 2,000. They go on the show 11 a.m. When a person day here pay 2 million for table, when they come around 10 p.m. Wasted resources. We pay 2,000, we start to laugh from 12 in the afternoon till 12 in the night. Again, the way M.O.P go perform, we know like I go perform again, we punchy. My heart end 2,000, For that our side, you don't ever go show for a place like Sokoto. Now Sokoto, I go do show. Regular, 1,000. They still price up. The boys then just gather come and like 11 a.m. They'll come when they'll face agree to now and say, yeah, they senior man. Well done, organizer. Poor new comedian, Sarkin. Yawa. All this hailing now so that 5 p.m. then go enter for free. Now, as the show don't start around 5, 6, you know, let them enter, they know they talk, you know, then they get one when they lead them, that one will just work out, go hail MC, say, MC. Go speak one English. God bless you, Jesus. Very funny MC. We therefore hear her in case she no fool. Around 9 p.m. now, they'll come go na bounce and then go meet. They'll come meet bounce and come tell them, senior man. Yeah, they. We don't check inside me and my friends. We see never full. How far? We can fill in the gap. Hey, therefore here, no problem. We know the rush. Yo, around 11, they'll go look again. Yeah, they senior man. Pazamu shigawa, we no go enter. Wasted space. Look at it. Enough full, we say enough full. Now we go full on. You don't go understand. God go help you. Say that they don't go decide. Say don't go buy the ticket. 1,000 come. They know there's nothing concerned them with front seat. Now for back, where they feed the gossip you. As the comedian just on stage, performing next, young chief. As in the entire go say, yeah, ne Raman, why one nam say young chief, young chief. She don't perform. Don't go tikam. Then they use their money small be that. That 1,000 where they pay each comedian 15 Naira. Say performing next, a do pick him. Say, don't borrow by do pick. One now by the benin, but no be benin. She come from pony guy. A zo pick him. Tick out. M.O.P go come perform. They say M.O.P go say, no. Now this one she get show. For this one put a 100 Naira. Tick out. Now, as they tick, they go. Don't notice say they don't tick all the name. One go see answer say, Kai. They don't cheat us. He gave person when never perform. Now the one boy say, yeah, M.O.P. Kwankoloza. He went to cheat boys. What's going on? I see everybody she don't perform. What of anime anymore? You see all the gara one they look for this Lagos for social media. I they look una they laugh. You know say on social media una they look. We they do real life. For that our side, see them do protest for this Lagos now. Nobody injure, nobody do anything. Not just the big noise. End bad governance, end hunger. Say I beg. May this protest end for here. We that side anything when we enter, no they end. Check up now for this country when kidnapping start now for Easter, you go the hear news. Father and son got missing. How many? 2. You go the hear mother and child found missing. How many? 2. When we enter for that side, the word kidnap change for that our side. We know Sabi no supposed to move. The word kidnap can change to adopt. You go hear the full community of Chibok was adopted. For that on our side, unknown government go just carry bus, come keep, carry 2, Sienna. For that was how they pack 4 posters, the full community go enter. We go there for 2 weeks. Bamba was then they do protest for you. Hold on. My time don't they finish. They do protest for you. End bad governance. See the people when they lead the protest, them come. We are tired of this government. Enough of all this government in power. Energy. You know why? Then they eat come the protest. That was side. Person they use 6 weeks passing. Come outside. First of all, the meaning of protest for outside not be even good thing for here. Zanga. It sounds like waiting go good. As soon as they do for it, end bad governance. If police throw tiaga here, end of protest. Don't worry oversee. For the first time when not enter protest, you wanna see the difference. As they do, end bad governance. I see me this thing end for Abuja, me you know come. Protest branch enter Kaduna. Early money don't come out. End bad governance. Now so then they come outside. They won't ask one say, why not they go and say, I don't know, then they end something. End bad governance. End bad governance. Now, do you know part of the reason why they always say they know they do protest? Now say some people will be anti-protest, they mastermind the protest to loot. Listen, when they loot for Lagos, you go enter supermarket, person go pick what if he eat, what he need, what you need. If we loot for that side, oh, subhanallah, early money has already end bad governance for Kaduna. One guy just walk out home. In look one guy when dress killing say, yeah, nature, man. Who's morning? I get traffic you go by. The guy no understand and say, I get traffic light you go by. As in the end bad governance, that guy don't go remove yellow, green and the guy when they say I get traffic light you go by, the guy going to say, what will I do with traffic light? He don't provoke the guy. He say, how about now for you? Why they be able like say if more became? You don't know say if you buy this traffic light, nobody will go to control you for road. Hold on. Everybody hold on. I'm performing for this guy alone. Everybody hold on. 100 Naira. I mean, you know that the highest money we receive for notes. $100 now he give me like that. You know enjoy me. Same way you go make I get what I go use and treat. No, you know say Basketmouth. She talk say me we know the collect money if they give us for stage. Basketmouth she dey curious I know the play. I mean I do more Joe. Hold on. Because I say Basketmouth decrease, I leave about who kill you. So I go use and sponsor free education for that.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, drop your comments, and turn on the notification button so you see other beautiful videos when they drop.